News cameras captured the damage.
800 miles of shoreline already covered with oil.
And the anchor.
This should have been the easiest spill in the world to clean up.
Growing questions.
Causing oil to sink is very dangerous to marine life, and we have to be certain that we cause a minimal amount of damage.
But it was soon too late to matter.
Winds up to 70 miles an hour virtually shut down the oil spill cleanup operation this morning.
The storm had come up and the oil was moving, and almost nothing could be done.
Some crews are literally on their knees using absorbent towels to remove the oil from rocky beaches.
Less than 15% of the oil was recovered. News cameras.
Talk about the nature. Let's talk about the, yeah. I wanna talk about the nature. Let's talk about the, yeah. I wanna talk about the nature. Let's talk about the, yeah. I wanna talk about the nature. Let's talk about the nature. Oh, I just tend to escape to the next. I go to the land, sands where I stand at the beach when the deep end's where I land. To mountains in the sky where the birds and bees, they tend to fly. They like to see the natural things and the birds and bees and all that green. Yeah, I sit back, relax, sip a cup of tea and knock it back and I say, oh my, the world is so far, such a beautiful place. Why do we continue to hate? My God, I say to the ocean all the way to the sky. My oxygen's depleting and my body is defeating and I don't even know how the rest is gonna be eaten. Let's talk about the nature. Dang. Well, the birds don't even fly. Let's talk about the nature. Well, the bees begin to die. Let's talk about the nature. Do you live just to survive? Let's talk about the nature. In this world we get so high. I wanna talk about the nature. Let's talk about the, yeah. I wanna talk about the nature. Let's talk about the, yeah. I wanna talk about the nature. Let's talk about the, yeah. I wanna talk about the nature. Power outage is what we need. The material items don't really mean a thing. If a power outage is what we need, the material items don't really mean a thing. If stuck in the phone and we really see and appreciate all the genuine things. We need to wake up from this distraction, start doing the math and add some subtracting. Life is an experience, we learn as it happens. Just know that the meaning is more than it has been. Let's talk about the nature. Well, the birds don't even fly. Let's talk about the nature. Well, the bees begin to die. Let's talk about the nature. Do you live just to survive? Let's talk about the nature. In this world we get so high. I wanna talk about the nature. Let's talk about the, yeah. I wanna talk about the nature. Let's talk about the, yeah. I wanna talk about the nature. Let's talk about the, yeah. I wanna talk about the nature. Let's talk talk about the I wanna talk about the nature. Let's talk about the, yeah. I wanna talk about the nature.
It wasn't, that spot was taken, so.
This girl took my cigarettes.